Hello, fellow plant lovers. Welcome back to our latest Decor Ideas YouTube channel. Today we are diving headfirst into the world of plants and ideas that will take your indoor and outdoor greenery displays to the next level. In this video, we will explore an array of creative and versatile plant stand ideas that will not only showcase your beloved plants but also become stunning decorative pieces themselves. Let's get started, host. First up, let's talk about tiered and multi-level plant stands. These ingenious designs provide a stylish way to display multiple plants in varying heights, adding depth and visual interest to any space. Whether it's a corner of your living room or a sunny spot on your balcony, tiered stands make a stunning statement. Bring a touch of whimsy and style to your space with hanging planters and macrame hangers. These plant stand ideas are perfect for showcasing trailing and cascading plants, creating a charming and dynamic display that's sure to catch the eye. For those who adore sleek and contemporary aesthetics, minimalist and modern plant stands are the way to go. With clean lines and geometric shapes, these stands beautifully complement modern interior and put the focus squarely on your lush greenery. If you are drawn to a more nostalgic vibe, consider plant stands with vintage and rustic charm. Antique inspired stands, repurposed wooden crates, and distressed metal frames create a cozy and inviting atmosphere that feels like stepping back in time. Ready to get your hands dirty, tie and upcycle plant stand ideas allow you to unleash your creativity from purposing old ladders to crafting stands out of crates. The possibilities are endless. These unique creations infuse your space with a personal touch and a sense of accomplishment. Create a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces with versatile plant stands which can move with the seasons. These stands make it easy to showcase your plants both indoors and outdoors, ensuring they get the perfect amount of sunlight year round. There you have it, innovative plant stand ideas that cater to every style and space, from tiled displays to hanging borders and minimalist designs. The world of plant stands is truly a playground for your creativity. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our latest decor ideas YouTube.